everyone. My name is Holly Reid of the Master Playbook, and today is National Teach Your Children to Save Day. This is so important. So I wanted to jump right in and offer 3 tips that as parents you can implement today to encourage your child to practice the savings habit at every age. So first, we're going to start with our little ones. Yes, we've got to take care of giving this information to the very youngest of our families. And the important thing with our little ones is to make it fun. We've got to make it interesting. And so one of the ways that I've seen that has worked really well is to have them start collecting coins. So with collecting coins, we all know there is a quarter for every state in the U.S. So how fun would it be for you to have your little ones collect each quarter, place it to the side, and then when they collect all 50, look, we can start all over again. And so the goal is just to teach them how to look for the quarter. They know the value, teach them the value of the quarter, and then allow them to have that fun throughout the year to collect all 50. This is something, a really fun exercise that the whole family can get involved in and build some excitement around to help your little one collect all 50 coins. Now, your next age group, these are going to be your middle schoolers. And so at this point in time, right around that age of 12 to 13, this is where I really encourage parents to open up a savings account for your child. Open up an account where you will be the custodian or the guardian represented on the account, but we want to get them familiar with and understanding how bank account works, how the bank system works. And so I look at it almost as a rites of passage when they turn from 12 to 13 to help them understand that when you become a teenager, you gain more responsibility. And so with more responsibility comes your very own bank account. And so this is a way that they can start receiving statements where you can use this time to be really intentional to go through the bank statement so they understand how to read it, what's on it, and watch that money grow, right? And so a lot of parents, I hear a lot of complaints about, well, my child just won't save their money. And just with being good at school or being good in a particular sport, we always have to set the expectation. And so when our child has their own money, when our child is earning money or receives money as a gift, it's a great idea to start the expectation now that a portion of that gift, a portion of the money that they earn will always there's always a portion that will go to savings, okay? And then now we're hitting our teenagers. And we know with teens, a lot of the things that they ask for, a lot of the things that they need are really expensive. They start costing a lot of money, right? And so there may be things that they want, but maybe we just don't have it in the budget. And so that's a great time to have that conversation. Help them understand that just because you want something or you need something right now doesn't mean that we can always afford it. And that's where the savings habit comes into play. So one of the things that I love to practice with our teens is called the savings match. We want our kids to have some skin in the game, right? So if they are able to earn money, if they are given money as gifts, again, set the expectation that some of those funds need to be placed aside for times just as this, times where they need money to go pay for their learner's permit, or they need money for graduation pictures, or pick any other life milestone in your teenager's life that's important to them, where they can put some skin in the game. They can start saving for that event or for that large purchase, and you make a deal with them. You say, hey, if you save 50%, I will match the other 50% so that you can complete the purchase. So use your influence, use that parental instinct to start setting the expectation and, more importantly, holding your teens accountable so that they have some skin in the game and they are also participating in this process. So I hope these tips were helpful for you today. For more tips like this and more real-time activities that you can do with your child at any age, I would encourage you to pick up my award-winning book, Teach Your Child to Fish, 5 Money Habits Every Child Should Master. And that's where we cover ideas like this and so much more. I hope this information was helpful to you. If so, click like and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time.